Here is a video of some ginormous kittens eating. Okay, which one's Mama? Can you tell? Look at how big those kittens are. I have the biggest kittens ever. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Mama? Why do you look fat? She looks... You look a little weirdly fat. Good Lord. Do you have a toy? Hi, Jasper. Do you have a toy? Jasper! Did you bring your toy in? Hello. Hi, Jasper. Is that your toy? That is the broken end of what used to be a banana clip. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Well, my goodness gracious, what big kittens I have. They're so big. They're big. They're big. Just Jasper. Oh, Spencer, are you playing with Jasper's toy? Spencer has usurped the toy. Here's our Muffett. Hi, Muffett. Hi, how are you? Hi. Hi. Are we all saying hi? Are you saying hi? Hi, Zavier. Hi, Muffett. Well, hello there. Hi. Say hello to your constituents. Oh, Zavier. Oh, you cute little boy. He's the cutest little thing. Oh, there's Jasper. Jasper, who decided to be friendly. What's the matters? What's the matter? My Muffet. Hello, Muffet. Oh, my little Muffet. Yes. Oh, you're so good. Oh, you're so good. Oh. Spencer says hello. Hello. Oh, I love you guys. Oh, I love you guys. Yeah, no more cage. We're going to tear that thing down this weekend, aren't we? Yep. See how big these kittens? I mean, there's Mama and there's Jasper. He's almost her size. Okay. Night-night, kittens.